Nashar. Number 1. 1972 Ford F-250, $4,200, Portland, Oregon. This 1972 Ford F-250 is an honest two-wheel drive work truck that has clearly received consistent maintenance over the years. Although the odometer is broken, the seller lists several important service items, including newer brakes, starter, alternator, carburetor, muffler, and ignition components. Powered by the respected 390 cubic inch Ford V8 and backed by an automatic transmission, it should provide the strong low-end torque these trucks are known for. With a clean title and a solid mechanical history, this classic F-Series is an affordable candidate for continued use or a gradual cosmetic restoration. Number 2. 1987 GMC S-15, $2,500, Grants Pass, Oregon. This 1987 GMC S-15 offers an attractive combination of affordability and documented maintenance. Equipped with a dependable 2.8-liter V6 and a 5-speed manual transmission, it features an engine overhaul completed around 140,000 miles with supporting invoices. The clean title and reliable running condition make this compact pickup a practical classic that can still serve as a dependable daily driver. Early S-Series trucks continue gaining appreciation thanks to their simple engineering and growing collector interest. Number 3. 1988 Chevrolet C2500, $3,000, Longview, Washington. This 1988 Chevrolet C2500 appears to be a dependable heavy-duty pickup with numerous recent mechanical upgrades. The seller highlights a remanufactured transmission, new tires, radiator, universal joints, rear brakes, and rear main seal, all of which significantly improve long-term reliability. Despite its high mileage and broken odometer, this third-owner truck remains a solid workhorse with a clean title. Square-body Chevrolet trucks remain highly desirable because of their durability, simple mechanics, and strong aftermarket support. Number 4. 1988 Toyota pickup short bed, $4,950, Meridian, Idaho. This 1988 Toyota pickup is an exceptionally well-maintained survivor that has benefited from extensive preventative maintenance. The owner has replaced major components including the timing chain assembly, cylinder head, cooling system, air conditioning components, alternator, lighting, and much more. Powered by Toyota's legendary 4-cylinder engine and paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, this pickup remains a dependable daily driver with approximately 90% tire tread remaining. Clean, original Toyota pickups from the 1980s have developed an outstanding reputation for reliability and long-term collector appeal. Number 5. 1946 International Pickup, $1,700, Boring, Oregon. This 1946 International Pickup represents an excellent foundation for a traditional restoration project. The truck retains a remarkably solid body and floor structure with only minor dents, while the original engine remains installed despite missing its cylinder head. Although it carries no title and requires significant mechanical work, its honest farm truck character remains intact. Early international pickups have become increasingly desirable among collectors, looking for something less common than comparable Ford or Chevrolet models. Number 6. 1954 Dodge C-Series Factory V8 Dump Truck, $1,875, Evergreen, Colorado. This 1954 Dodge C-Series is a rare medium-duty truck featuring its original Power Dome V8 engine and a factory-style power takeoff operated dump bed. The engine reportedly runs extremely well, while the 4-speed transmission and 2-speed rear axle provide serious hauling capability. Brake repairs are still needed before the truck can be driven, but the included rebuild parts and overall solid body make restoration realistic. Original V8-equipped Dodge work trucks from this era are becoming increasingly difficult to find in complete condition. Number 7. 1969 Chevrolet C10 Camper Special, $4,500, Horseshoe Bend, Idaho. This 1969 Chevrolet C10 Camper Special combines useful upgrades with classic styling. It features a fresh 350 cubic inch small block V8 and a rebuilt transmission clutch pack, allowing it to start, run, and drive while requiring only minor additional work. The clean title adds confidence for future ownership. First-generation C10 trucks remain among the most popular classic pickups thanks to their timeless design, abundant replacement parts, and excellent customization potential. Number 8. 1989 Chevrolet 1500 Cheyenne, $2,000, Allen, Oklahoma. This 1989 Chevrolet 1500 Cheyenne offers an inexpensive entry into the desirable GMT 400 generation. Although the engine starts, it will not continue running, with the seller suspecting a stretched timing chain. The truck retains a clean title and automatic transmission, making it an appealing repair project for mechanically inclined buyers. Once repaired, these full-size Chevrolet pickups are widely respected for their comfortable ride, dependable drivetrains, and everyday usability. Number 9. 1988 Ford Ranger XLT, $5,000, Havre, Montana. This 1988 Ford Ranger XLT appears to be a well-kept compact pickup with exceptionally low mileage for its age. Powered by the 2.9-liter V6 and a 5-speed manual transmission, it has received new shocks, newer wheels, tires, and a tonneau cover. The clean title and strong running condition make it a practical classic that remains enjoyable to drive. First-generation Rangers have steadily gained popularity because of their rugged simplicity and dependable performance. Number 10. 1984 Ford F-150, $2,800, Williford, Arkansas. This 1984 Ford F-150 is equipped with Ford's legendary 300 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine and a 3-speed column shift manual transmission. The seller reports that it runs and drives well while retaining a solid frame and minimal body rust, making it a respectable survivor. With its clean title and straightforward mechanical design, this truck offers tremendous value for anyone seeking a dependable vintage pickup. The 300 inline 6 remains one of Ford's most durable truck engines ever produced. Number 11. 1963 Chevrolet pickup, $700, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1963 Chevrolet pickup is priced primarily as a restoration project or parts donor. It retains its original 235 cubic inch inline 6 engine, manual transmission, and 8 lug wheels. But the running condition remains unknown and no title is included. Even with those limitations, early 1960s Chevrolet trucks continue attracting restorers because of their classic styling and outstanding parts availability. For an experienced builder, this could become an inexpensive long-term project. Number 12, 1989 Toyota Pickup 22R, $8,500, Dallas, Texas. This 1989 Toyota pickup is a clean, well-maintained example of one of Toyota's most respected compact trucks. Equipped with an automatic transmission, new tires, a clean title, and reportedly healthy engine and transmission, it offers dependable transportation wrapped in timeless styling. Trucks powered by the famous 22R engine family are widely recognized for exceptional durability and impressive longevity, making them highly desirable among enthusiasts and collectors alike. Number 13, 1980 Chevrolet C10, $9,500, Hereford, Arizona. This 1980 Chevrolet C10 has been extensively upgraded into a serious performance-oriented street truck. It features a freshly built 355 cubic inch small block V8 with Vortex cylinder heads, Edelbrock induction, Luneti camshaft, aluminum cooling system, stainless headers, and a strengthened turbo hydromatic 350 transmission. Combined with its rust-free Arizona body and lowered suspension, it offers excellent performance potential while needing only a hood and interior finishing. Original short-bed, square-body trucks with quality performance upgrades continue commanding strong interest in today's collector market. Number 14, 1978 Ford F100 Ranger XLT, $6,500, Blair, Nebraska. This 1978 Ford F100 Ranger XLT is a solid Oklahoma survivor that retains much of its original character. Powered by the desirable 351M V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission, it runs and drives while needing attention for minor oil leaks, power steering leaks, transmission shifting, air conditioning, and a cracked windshield. Its clean title, mostly original interior, and minimal rust make it a very worthwhile restoration candidate. Late 1970s Ford Dentside trucks continue appreciating as collectors recognize their rugged design and distinctive styling. Number 15, 1958 Jeep FC170, $15,000, Montrose, Colorado. This 1958 Jeep FC170 is one of the most distinctive collectible utility trucks available today. Built on the longer FC170 chassis, it has been upgraded with a Chevrolet 350 cubic inch V8, 4-wheel drive, automatic transmission, new oversized tires, Edelbrock carburetor, refreshed braking system, service drivetrain, and even electric windows. The truck combines classic forward control styling with modern drivability, making it equally suitable for shows or trail adventures. Well-preserved FC170 models remain exceptionally rare and highly sought after by Jeep collectors. Number 16, 1967 Dodge D20 Sweptside Camper Special Custom, $11,500, Redondo Beach, California. This 1967 Dodge D20 Sweptside Camper Special is an increasingly rare swept line pickup that stands out thanks to its originality, low documented mileage, and everyday usability. Powered by a V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, the seller confidently describes it as a dependable daily driver, capable of long-distance travel and hauling duties. The clean title, attractive condition, and growing collector demand make this a particularly desirable example. Dodge Sweptline trucks have become one of the fastest appreciating segments of the classic truck market because surviving original examples are becoming increasingly scarce.